Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your Android phone to your Pioneer Bluetooth radio. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you just got a new Pioneer Bluetooth radio installed in your car. How do you actually go ahead and connect your Android phone to it? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So in order to do this, what you need to do is click on the white icon in the upper left hand corner. Next, you want to click on the magnifying glass over here. And then you want to find the name of your device on your Android phone. So do make sure that Bluetooth is turned on your Android phone, and then select the name of your Pioneer Bluetooth radio. Keep in mind that the name of the Bluetooth device for your Pioneer radio actually isn't going to be called Pioneer, which is weird. But go ahead and find your Pioneer radio and then follow the on-screen prompts and you should be able to connect. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your Android phone to your Pioneer Bluetooth radio. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.